All right. In 1851, I took my corduroy breeches on the American Railroad, just begun working on the railway. Fiddle-me-ori-ori-ay, 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 working on the railway. 1852, I was looking around for something to do, working on the railway. Fiddle-me-ori-ori-ay, 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 working on the railway. 1854, I found my back was mighty sore, watching ships leave from ships on shore, working on the railway. Fiddle-me-ori-ori-ay, 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 working on the railway. 1855, I found myself more dead than alive, from working on the railway. Fiddle-me-ori-ori-ay, 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 working on the railway. 1856, I found myself in the whale of a fix, stuck on a bridge with dynamite sticks, working on the railway. Fiddle-me-ori-ori-ay, 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 working on the railway. 1857, my children now, they numbered 11, girls that slept 4, boys at 7, working on the railway. Fiddle-me-ori-ori-ay, 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 working on the railway. 1858, I finally got out before it was too late, hired aboard a ship named Spray, working on the railway. Fiddle-me-ori-ori-ay, 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 working on the railway. 1859, my salary was mighty fine, and all I had to do was haul a line. Working on the railway. Fiddle-me-ori-ori-ay, 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 working on the railway.